Okay. Happy afternoon, everyone. Nana. Please on your videos, everyone. Moksha, Sayashri, Nagamalleshwari. And I don't know who is MRMS. Please type your name, Nana, beside of that MRMS. Okay. Okay. Everyone, please show your notebook and pencil or pen, whatever you have. Everyone, please show me that. Nagamalleshwari, Satvika, on your videos, Nana. Yeah, very good, very good. Superb. I'm asking notebook and pencil or pen. Okay, don't keep textbook near you. You just close the textbook. Okay, superb, superb. Okay. Then when I say some of the organs, you just show me. Everyone, are you ready to do that? When I say superb, Ranadeep, you are showing something very good, very good. When I say some organs, you just show the organs. For example, if I say eyes, you can show eyes like this. If I say head, you can show like this. Okay, if you are ready, show thumbs up. Are you ready to play this? Just 1 minute. Okay. After completion of this activity, I am going to conduct dictation. Today you should write dictation. Okay. That is why I'm saying you can be ready with notebook and pen or pencil. Okay, everyone, please be ready, Nana. Mouth. Show your mouth. I don't say show, mouth. Very good, very good. Spurti, you are not doing. Okay, superb. Legs. Legs. I think it is not possible to show, but I know you can do. Very good. Next, lips. Lips. Superb. Hairs. Hairs. Okay. Nose. Nose. Good, good, good. Cheeks. Cheeks. Teeth. Teeth. Don't touch it, but you just show it. Okay. Neck. Neck. Shoulders. Shoulders. Hands. Hands. Fingers. Fingers. Okay. Superb, superb. Stomach. Very good, very good. Nice, Nina, nice. Okay, what are all these? You are touching and you are seeing these organs. These are called external organs. Okay, which we can see, we can touch. These are external organs. Which we cannot see, we can't touch from outside. They are called internal organs. For example, lungs, brain, heart, etc. Okay. Okay, this is the small activity, my dears. Now, I am going to conduct dictation. I will say some of the words. You can write in your notebook. Okay. Slowly, I can tell. You don't fear. Teacher, please repeat it. You don't ask like that. I will tell in slow manner. Okay. Start, Nana. Let's start. Everyone, please be start. First word, write the date. Mention the date on your book. Be ready. And please on your videos, Nana. If you're not on your video, I do not accept your words. Keetan? Okay. Where did you go, man? Are you looking for something? Get ready. Before entering the class, you get ready with your things which are needed to you. Okay, are you ready? If you are ready, show thumbs up. I can start. Superb, superb. First word, group. Group. Right. You should write the spelling of group. Group, group. Group. I will tell 3 times. Just 3 times. You should write spelling of group and don't take others' help. What do you know? You should write. Okay. Deepak, are you taking someone help? Look at the teacher, Nana. Everyone, please be. Look at the teacher. Okay, super. Very good. Second word. Off. Off. I know these are very simple words. You will be right very easily. Off. Off, off. 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 Third one. Organs. 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 Lohita, what are you looking down, Nina? Please be right properly. And some of the children position is not good, Nina. Please, you can set properly after completion of the all classes. Okay. Organs. Don't bend, sit properly, my dears. Spurti, you also. Organs. Next, fourth word. Number 4. That. 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 I hope these are very easy to you. You can write very easily. Am I correct? You move your head like this. If it is easy. Okay, super Pranav, Geetika. Okay, very good. Next. That. I hope you completed that. Teacher, what is second question? Okay, second one is off, Nana, off. Second word is off. If you get any trouble like this, you can maybe disconnecting or struck the voice, anything is there. Please, you can. Fourth one is that. Next, fifth one, related. You can form the word related. First one is group, Nana, group. Group. First one is group and fifth one is related. Next, sixth one, functions. Functions. Next, make. Yeah, Manurakshit, are you writing, beta? Okay. Sit properly, Nana. By bending, you are writing. You sit in good position. You keep your back straight. What is the fifth question? Satvika asking. Fifth one, related, ma. Related. Fifth one. Sixth one is function. Functions or function. Whatever you can write. Functions. Actually, functions. But if you not get that properly, you can write function. Okay, Simran, there's MRMS. Who is that, Nana? Please, MRMS, who has typed like that, please change your name. Otherwise, I can call you MRMS. I hope this is not your name. Okay, next. Functions. If you are completed, I will go for next one. Functions. Make. System. System. Sixth one, functions. Nana, please listen carefully. I am saying very slowly. If you are asked middle of the time, other children will disturb. They will confuse. Okay, so please be concentrate while telling. System. Next, ninth one, body. Body. After completion of all, I will repeat once again, okay? After end of that dictating words, I will repeat once again. By the time you can correct it, okay? Next, 10th one, let. 10th word is let. 10th word is let. I hope you are writing very honestly and don't copy from textbooks or don't copy from others and don't take others' help. What do you know? You just write. What is the 7th one? Nana, I will tell last. After completion of all, I will tell Nana. Okay, 10th one, let. Speaker, I will tell later. After completion of all words, I will tell. By the time you can write it in that place. 11th one, us. 11th one, us. And Sanket and I think who is there beside of him? Sri Kandit. Don't copy, both of you. Okay. Us. Next, 12th one, study. Ketan, where did you go, Nana? Your video is off. I think I have a network issue. Moksha, where did you go, beta? Moksha, Varshit, your videos are off. Ullas, study. 12th one, study. Study. Okay. Next, 13th one, about. Okay, Simra said over. Okay. I will tell 15, Nana, only 15 words. Remaining 2 are there. 14th one, need. Need. Next, 15th. This is the last word. Food. Food. Niharika background is very nice. Good position. Pravina also. Sanket and Kandit also. Good in position. Okay, good. Okay, I think today Virat Jetty, maybe he absent today. I didn't see his name today. Okay, 15th word is food. Food. Okay, if you are completed, you can show thumbs up. Show thumbs up. Sanket, Sai Kandit messaged me, teacher. What teacher? Nothing is there in that chat box. Only teacher is there. Over. Okay. Don't say over. Completed. Dictation words are completed. Okay. You should say like this. Okay. Now I want to repeat the words one by one. If anyone missed anything, you can write in that place. Okay. Are you ready? Maybe some of the children, they may joined lately. They missed something. So you can add now. And only once, I will tell only once. Okay, super. First one, group. Group. Second one, off. Off. Third one, organs. Organs. Fourth one, that. That. Fifth one, related. Related. Sixth one, functions. Functions. Seventh one, make. Make. Eighth one, system. System. Ninth one, body. Body. 10th, let. Let. 11th one, us. Us. 12th one, about. About. 13th one, about. 14th one, need. Need. 15th one, food. Food. These are the words I have dictated you. Okay. Okay, Nana. If anyone missed that, I can't do anything. Okay. Better luck next time. You be concentrate and listen carefully. Okay, then 12th one is study. Yes, Nana. Yes. Geetika, 12th one is study beta. Okay, then I want to share one screen. After that, many of the answers you may correct. But before going to that, I wanted to correct your answers. You can check, you can cross-check yourself. Okay, but you can do honestly. If any single letter mistake also, you can cut it. You just tick wrong. Okay. And otherwise, after that, you can correct. You should write correct one. Beside of that, you should write correct one. But you said about. Okay, whatever. But about also there, Nana, Geetika. About also there. Okay, then I'm going to share screen, beta. I think Sartha teacher is not there. Then please anyone. Okay, no need. Then I'm going to share the screen. Everyone, please on your videos, Nana, while screening, sharing the screen. Okay, are you getting any screen? If you get any white screen, show thumbs up. One by one, I can type. You can correct it. Everyone, please be check yourself, ma. First word. Mouth. Okay. Second word. Sorry. First one, not mouth, Nana. I forgot to say this. Okay. Group. Actually, G will be a capital letter, but not much time. That is why I'm writing like this. Second one is off. Third word is organs. I hope you are correcting and you are cross-checking. If any mistakes, you can just tick it wrong. And beside of that, you should correct word. Next, fourth word is that. Fifth word is related. Sixth word is functions. Seventh word is make. If anyone missed the order also, you can correct it. Okay. But if it is the word is there or not, number is not necessary in a word. The word is in the dictative words or not, you can check it. Eighth one, system. Ninth one, body. 10th word, let. 11th one, us. 12th word, study. 13th one, about. 14th word is need. And last, that is the 15th word is food. These are the words which I have dictated you. Okay. You can cross-check yourself and how many of you written 15 out of 15? You just send me and send your marks. How many marks you scored? Please, everyone, chart in the box. Then everyone, please be chart in the box. Okay, shall I come out? What's that? Stop the screen share. Everyone. Everyone, please. Okay, now I wanted to come back. I want to stop the sharing. You can take the screenshot, Nana. You can take the screenshot otherwise. What are the words I have given? Take the screenshot, beta. Okay, then I'm coming back, Nana. I'm stopping the share. Okay, then. Okay, super. Type your marks. How many marks you scored? You can type in the chat box. And super. Keetan 13. Only Keetan sent. Okay. Devi Priya, Anas, you sent your name. 14. Likita 14. Super. Very good. Very good. Teacher, my marks 14. Okay. Superb. For all, those are written 15. Those are corrected 15 out of 15. For them, I'm giving claps as well as I showed one reaction also. Okay. Superb. I'm giving claps, thumbs, claps also. Okay, very good, Nana. Srikar 14, superb, beta, superb. Very good. Okay, then now I wanted to tell the homework. What about today's homework? Do you want to know? Today your homework is prepare a flashcard of the digestive system. Okay, total the digestive system diagram you can make as a flashcard. And I will send one reading activity like audio. You listen carefully. The audio will listen carefully. And after that, you send back that audio. Your audio, reading activity audio send to me. Okay. Nenu oka reading activity ni meeku homework ga send chestanu. That is page number 8, paragraphs. I will show that also, which paragraph I want to give for homework, and I will send in the group because many children, they do not have books, but please buy the books, Nena. This is the paragraph. These are the paragraphs I am learning, page number 8. Okay, I will send in the group. You don't worry, but everyone should send your audio. Otherwise, you take the screenshot, beta. You take screenshot. Those who have notebooks, you can take the screenshot. That one helps you to read the activity. Okay. Otherwise, I will send in group also. What should you do? నేను ఒక యాక్టివిటీని, ఆడియో యాక్టివిటీని మీకు సెండ్ చేస్తాను. ఆ ఆడియోని బాగా వినండి. 2 or 3 times, more than times. You can listen carefully. After that, you do practice reading like that. When you get perfection in reading, you send that audio, same paragraph audio, you send back to me. Okay, మీరు కూడా దాన్ని ఆడియో లాగా చేసి నాకు సెండ్ చేయండి. Okay, this is the challenge. How many of you take the challenge? Show your thumbs up if you are ready to give take the challenge. Super Nana Satvika, only Satvika, Likita, only two. But everyone should do this. This is the homework, my dears. Okay, you don't escape from it. Definitely you should do this. Okay, Nana, see, this is our class. Now I want to stop the screen sharing.